Hello, dear students. Welcome to the class. And today's class, we are going to start ninth story of your book, Footprints Without Feet, Bholi. This is from her very childhood. Bholi was neglected at home. Why did her teacher take special interest in her? Did Bholi measure up to her teacher's expectations? This story is going to answer all these questions. First of all, you should know who was Bholi, why was she given the name as Bholi. Let's start. Her name was Sulekha, but since her childhood, everyone had been calling her Bholi the simpleton. Her real name was Sulekha, our title character, but since her childhood, everybody was calling her Bholi, the simpleton, who was very simple. Bholi refers to simple child. Though her name was Sulekha, but everybody was calling her Bholi because she was very simple. She was the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. Her father's name and designation is described in this line. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the cot on her head and perhaps it had damaged some part of her brain. When she was too young, of 10 months old only, she fell down from the cot on her head, and because of that, it seemed that some part of her brain got damaged. That was why she remained backward child and came to be known as Bholi the simpleton. And because of that, she remained to be a simple child. Backward child refers to be extremely simple, who was not very much active in all spheres of work. And she was given the name as Bholi or the simpleton. At birth, the child was very fair and pretty. But when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. Till yet, the inner damage of Bholi was described. What happened at the age of 10 months? Now, her physical beauty got damaged because of smallpox. When she got birth, she was very beautiful. But she got smallpox attack. Only the eyes were saved, but the entire body was permanently disfigured by deep black poke marks. As a result of smallpox, only her eyes were saved. Rest of entire face had poke marks, black colors, poke marks of chickenpox. Little Sulekha could not speak till she was 5, and when at last she learned to speak, she stammered. Sulekha was unable to speak when she was 5 years old. Even though when she had started speaking, so she was not able to speak properly and she used to stammer. The other children often made fun of her and mimicked her. As a result, she talked very little. Other children used to make fun of her. They used to mimic the way she was talking. So as a result of that, she lost her confidence to talk a lot and she had started talking very little. Ramlal had 7 children, 3 sons and 4 daughters, and the youngest of them was Bholi. Ramlal, Bholi's father, had 7 children, 3 sons and 4 daughters. Out of 4 daughters, Bholi was the youngest one. As a result, it was a prosperous farmer's household and there was plenty to eat and drink. Though he had 7 children, he was a farmer, but there was no lack of fortune in her family. Enough money was there in their family, meaning they had enough for drink, for food, for eating. Everything was there at their home. All the children except Bholi were healthy and strong. As far as the other children were concerned, except Bholi, everybody else was very healthy and beautiful, strong. The sons had been sent to the city to study in school and later in colleges. Of the daughters, Radha, the eldest, had already been married. The second daughter, Meghala's marriage, Mangla's marriage, had also been settled. See, her brothers were sent to college. After completing their school, they were sent for colleges. And as far as the sisters were concerned, marriage used to be the ultimate goal for a daughter at that time. So Radha, the eldest daughter of Ramlal, got married, and Mangla's marriage had also settled. And when that was done, Ramlal would think of the third, Champa. When the second daughter's marriage also completed, now Ramlal was thinking about third daughter's marriage. Her name was Champa. They were good looking, healthy girls, and it was not difficult to find bridegrooms for them. Even Champa was also, meaning there was no problem to find any good match for Champa and Mangla and another daughter Radha, because they were good looking and healthy. So there were no problem to find bridegrooms for them. And as far as requirement, money was also there in Ramlal's house. But Ramlal was worried about Bholi. She had neither good looks nor intelligence. But Ramlal was extremely worried about the fate of Bholi, because Bholi was neither intelligent nor good looking. So no quality was there. So Ramlal was extremely worried what would be the fate of Bholi, and how it was going to be difficult for him to find bridegrooms for Bholi. Bholi was 7 years old when Mangla was married. The same year, a primary school for girls was opened in the village. When Bholi was 7 years old when Mangla got married, and the same year, till yet in that village no primary school was there. So for girls, education was not considered important or essential. Boys were sent to city for education, but that year school opened for girls also in their village. Till yet only boys. For boys it must be, because boys' education used to be considered important one. So dear children, in this video we are going to stop here only. I hope you all have followed it very well.